Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method on PrizePicks. It's pretty simple, so watch till the end. First, you have to log into your PayPal account, but remember that you can remove payment method after 16 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. That means you have to deposit amount on PrizePicks with that payment method minimum 16 days ago. Then your payment method will be legible for removing from your PrizePicks account. Now, as I said, that you have to log into your PrizePicks account, then tap the deposit button in the top right corner, the plus icon. Then once you are on the deposit page, you should see a trash can icon. Click the icon to remove a payment method. Then if the trash can icon isn't there, that's mean you still need to wait for 60-day waiting period to end. Hope you're clear about that concept, that you must need to deposit with that payment method 16 days ago on PrizePicks so that you can remove that payment methods after that 60 days. Now, another important thing is to note that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reason, PayPal doesn't permit you to remove your account. That's mean make sure that you request to remove a payment method once in a month and not more than 5 times in a year. And you can remove your PayPal account once you have linked with your PrizePicks for the security reason. That's how you can remove payment method on PrizePicks. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.